So, my dear friends, we should continue that Bhakti Katha, very special Katha by Ramananda Rai, no, Vishakha Shakti. She is describing very ornaments, very special ornaments. Yes, ornaments also one can describe when that ornaments is the special moves. So Ramananda Rai, Vishakha Shakti, she is describing all those very special moods, ornaments of Srimati Radharani. Now he is describing another very special ornaments, and that is Mother. By word it is said, by English term, you can say, what is Mother? Intoxications. Yes, it is intoxication, but in another way. In another way, it is said Jnananashaka Alhada, which is destroying normal wisdom for great pleasure. By great pleasure, it is said Mother, that intoxication. Here Mother is actually Jnananashaka Alhada. A great pleasure is destroying normal natural behavior and wisdom. And it's happened here. There is intoxications from some liquid. It is very special. And there is intoxications of love for Krishna. The example is very nice story. The normal, natural mood of Srimati Radharani. She is very shy. Lajja. We know that. In special mood, in Vyabhichari Bhava, in special mood, there is also Lajja. When she was wearing the dresses, that time it was there. She wore sari of Lajja, that blue colored. So she is very shy. His normal nature. And when Krishna will come, and when they will be very near to each other, in that time she is then another time. When Krishna will hold her hands in Nikunja Kutir, when Krishna will pull her hands, arms towards him, when Krishna is trying to embrace Srimati Radharani, so because of shyness, first she will close her eyes. her lips will start to shiver. Krishna will request, "Oh Radhe, please open your eyes, please look at me." My eyes, who are bumblebees, they are waiting to drink the honey from your lotus-like eyes. Because everyone knows you are not only dear-eyed, yes, Chakita Harini Prakshana, your eyes also like deer, but also like lotus. So my eyes, who are like bumblebee, they are waiting to drink that very special honey from that lotus which you now closed. So please open it. If the flower will not bloom, so how the honeybee or bumblebee, they can drink the honey from there? So Radhe, please open your eyes. But because of shyness, so many things start to happen with Srimati Radharani. There is no one to help Srimati Radharani to protect from Krishna. From inside, she wants that Krishna continue to do this. But externally, because of her shyness, she starts to sweat. Her lips start to shiver. Her eyes automatically closed. By fingers, she is trying to stop Krishna. But anyhow, Krishna continued his activity with Srimati Radharani because he knows from inside, from heart, Srimati Radharani, she is enjoying. So Krishna had decided, no, anyhow I had to break this silence of Srimati Radharani. So Krishna, he requests to the Manjaris, Manjaris, please bring honey for us. That is not honey, madhu. Madhu is not here, only the honey. A very special drink. It is also like Somarasa. But don't misunderstand that madhu is wine. No, it is not wine. Not Madira, madhu. So Krishna requests to the Manjari, bring madhu here for us. Manjari says, why Krishna? Why you want madhu? Yes, actually, your Sakhi, she need this madhu. Now she is very shy. Only madhu can destroy this. Only madhu can destroy that natural nature of her. So the Manjaris, they brought Madhu. And Krishna offered it to Srimati Radharani. Radhe, come. Now we'll enjoy this very special drink which will develop the pleasure. Srimati Radharani asked, really, Krishna? It's developing the pleasure? Yes, Radhe. Because it is very special. Okay. So both of them, they start to drink that madhu by each other. Krishna, he is offering that madhu to Srimati Radharani's mouth. And Srimati Radharani, she is offering madhu to Krishna. Because it will also develop, it will also support to develop that pleasure. When that madhu Krishna will get from Srimati Radharani, it will be more powerful. That intoxication will be 2 times more or 100 times more. And when Srimati Radharani will drink that madhu by Sri Krishna, the pleasure will be 100 times more than other time. Madhu, it has some very special power, and when it will be served in that way to Srimati Radharani by Krishna and to Krishna by Srimati Radharani at the same time, so that power will be 1,000 times more, because love, attachment, everything are there. So now, when both of them, they drink that madhu, and it really destroyed that sense, that natural wisdom. I should not do that, so it will destroy. So it's happened with Srimati Radharani. So she lost everything. Her natural wisdom. Who was very shy before, now she's very chanchal. She start to talk like Shukashari. Sometimes she's inspiring Krishna. Sometimes she's behaving like male. So the Sakhis, they were watching that very nice love game through window. So they are talking to each other. Ya Hriya Haripuro Mukhamudrang Bhanktu Madhya Vasasau na Kadapi Sha Papatha Chotulang Madhupitva Sharikeva Pashupalu Kishori. Oh, what's happened, Saki? Look at Pashupala Kishori. What she is doing? It is not natural from her. Because we know she is very shy in front of Krishna. When she will be in front of Krishna, when Krishna will try to do something with her, so because of her shyness, she will close her eyes, she will start to shiver, her lips start to shiver, her voice will be choked. But now, what she is doing? Look. Sometimes she is behaving like male. It is not our, she is not our Radhe. Maybe because of Madhu, which Krishna offered to our Sakhi. It's happened. Who was very shy in front of Krishna, she never openly talked some things about love to Krishna. And now, openly, she is saying so many things. Now she is talking like Sharika, Shukashari, that birds who are always talking. Now she is pushing Krishna to the bed. Look, Sakhi, what's happened with our Sakhi? Now she is inspiring Krishna to do something with her. Pashupala Kishori. What's happened? If it is good. So Lalita Sakhi says, yes, it is good. When they are enjoying, look, Krishna also happy and our Sakhi also very happy. They are enjoying this. So it is mother. Which intoxication appeared in Srimati Radharani, it was not only by Madhu. Actually, she wants to destroy, to remove that shyness from her heart. But until now, she could not. But today, when Madhu helps little bit, she did it. Srimati Radharani did it, the remaining parts. She threw out all her shyness. It is known mother of Srimati Radharani. Yes, she was intoxicated, but not by Madhu. Madhu was there, but when one will drink that great Madhu of Krishna Prema, all the other intoxication will be very small in front of that intoxication. Intoxication of Krishna Prema, intoxication of Harinama, intoxication of Radha Padadashi. In front of all those intoxication, the natural, all intoxicated things, intoxications are very small and very little. Who are always engaged to drink Krishna Prema. How the normal this material world intoxication will do something for... No, nothing will happen. It was very nice things. Before 2 or 3 years. So, some devotees, I know them, they went to Radhakund in Kartik. And Ramakrishna Baba will know. To everyone he is saying, stay here in Radhakund. Stay here in Radhakund. That is the best for your life. So something happened with that person also. I was there. I know him very well. Actually, he's really very attached with drinking alcohol every day, every day. We are following Niyam Sabha by Harinam and so other things, our spiritual practice. He is following Niyam Sabha with drinking alcohol every day. But anyhow, by causeless mercy, he went there in Radhakund. And Prankrishna Baba, Kaku, my sweet Kaku, again he advised him to stay here. So I said to Kaku, Kaku, don't tell this to him. Otherwise he will destroy this climate, this very beautiful nature of Radhakund. So Kaku asked me, why? How you will destroy this all? He is drinking alcohol every day. Really? He is drinking alcohol every day? Yes. Okay, no problem. You just come here. If you are drinking alcohol every day, so you just drink alcohol here in Radhakund. When you will drink that alcohol, it will work as Charanamrit. So everyone, we were there, some other to love. Then I took the aparad for him, offense. No, he should come here and he should continue his drinking alcohol here in Radhakund. And it will work as Charanamrit. You know what will happen? After some day, that alcohol will change his mind. When you'll start to hear in Radhakund, and you'll take bath in Radhakund every day, and here everywhere you'll get prasad. So when you'll get prasad every day, so then alcohol also will change its nature. It will start to work as Charanamrit, and one day it will change. And that alcohol will stop him to drink alcohol. Because when she will realize that intoxication of Harinam, when you will get that intoxication of Krishna Prem, Krishna Katha, when you will get that intoxication of Srimati Radharani Kripa, then this normal alcohol will go away. It will run from him. So again he said, okay, you just come here, I'll arrange everything for you staying in Prasad. And drink alcohol here in front of me. I'll not stop you. It will be stopped by itself. So in front of Krishna Prema, in front of that intoxication of Krishna Prema, all the other intoxication are very light. Jagai Madhai, when they got that intoxication of Harinam by Nitai Chand and Namacharya, then they removed their attraction for this natural, this material world's alcohol, drinking alcohol. They stop. So my dear friends, if you want to get that intoxication, so do not try with this alcohol, which is from this material world, because it is temporary. For some moments, for some hour. But if we'll start to drink Harinama Mahamantra, if you'll start to drink Krishna Prema, then that intoxication will never go away from your heart. It will be always there. If you are not believing, try. If I am right or wrong, try it and tell me. Srimati Radharani, she teaches us, Mother, by this quality of her. Now Garbha. What is Garbha? Pride. And it will appear from good luck, from beauty, from Ishtalabha, that I desire something and I got it. So in many things, beauty, Saubhagya, Rupa Tarunya, Guna Sarvottama Asraya, Ishtabastu Labhadi. When Saubhagya, good fortune, Rup, the beauty, Tarunya, the youngness, Gun, the qualities, Sarvottama Asraya, took shelter on the great place, and Ishtabastu Labh. I desired something and I got it. From this all points, that pride will appear, and when that pride will appear, so then the mind will start to think about others. They are lower than me. Avagya, ignorance. Avagya is not always disrespect. Actually, avagya means disrespect. But here it is not disrespect. It is thinking about others. No. I am the best. They are also good, but I am the best. This is pride, Garbha. The example are there. Munchan Mitrya Kadamba Sangam Abhajanya Putsuka preyasi resha dwari haris tadanana tatinyas tikshanas tishtati Yutebir makarakratis mitamukhi tvam kurvati kundalam Gandaddat pulaka drishopi nokila kshive kshipa shanchala Sadhana Bhartika, that Nayika. Krishna came there in Nikunja Kuti. He's on the door. He's waiting for Srimati Radharani when she'll talk with him. He fixed his eyes to Srimati Radharani without any blink. But Srimati Radharani, she's doing something else. It is also not useless work what Srimati Radharani is doing. Actually, she was making some very good ear ornament, which is look like makara. And it was by jasmine flower. With smiling face, she was doing this. And Krishna was waiting. From outside, all the Sakhis, they were watching this. Oh, long time Krishna is waiting on the door. Why Srimati is not calling him inside? So the other Sakhis, they continued to watch, but it was a little bit painful for Vishakha because she loves to look them near to each other, next to each other, together, on the same level. So she went into the Kunja. And she was surprised to say this. Srimati Radharani with smiling face, she was busy to make that Makara Kundala by jasmine flower. So she said, "Oh, what a pity, Radhe. Shive." Shiva means who controlled eyes. He or she known Shiva. Who stopped to move eyes here and there. He or she known as Shiva. So, Vishakha, she called here Srimati Radharani, not Radhike. Ek Shiva. Didn't you know that Krishna is waiting there on the door? You know, Munchan Mitra. First he left the association, ignored the association of his friends, because all his friends, they are there in the forest, they are playing. And they want Krishna in between them, play with them. But then also Krishna ignored. Radhe, you know, Krishna has so many beloved. And maybe they tried to stop Krishna in their kunja. But Krishna ignored also them. Kadamba Sangama Bhajanya Putsuka. All those beloved, they are waiting to worship Krishna. But Krishna didn't waste his time with them. he just ran here. Preyashiresha Dwari Haristadanana Tatinyatekshanastishtati. Look at him. He is not blinking even. He fixed his eyes to your face. You know for what, Radhe? If you'll blink and on that time, at the same time, you call him in by your eyes, so he will miss that. So that's why he stopped to blink. And Radhe, Krishna is waiting here on the door in that way to refuse all the association of his friends, to ignore all the association, all his very beautiful, qualified beloveds. He came here to you and he fixed his eyes to your face. But what you are doing? With smiling face. Smitamukhi tang kurvati kundalang gandoddat pulaka. Radhe, are you making fun with Krishna? Because I can see your cheeks are a little bit shallow. You are smiling. Inside you are laughing, not externally. That Krishna, who has so many beloveds, who has so many friends, he ignored them and he came here to you. So, if it is fun for you, Radhe, are you making fun with Krishna? You are busy to make Makara Kundal with jasmine flowers. For whom you are making this? You forgot? You are making this for Krishna, and that Krishna is there on the door. So Radhe, maybe you are feeling pride that Krishna is waiting for you. Krishna is waiting for you. You are not waiting for Krishna. So maybe it is your pride. Good fortune. It is your good fortune that you have lover like Krishna. Then Srimati Radharani answered to Vishakha, yes, Vishakha, you are right. It is my pride. Yes, it is my pride, Vishakha. Yes, I'm making fun with Krishna. Krishna is waiting for me. Can you imagine? Krishna, who has countless beloved, and all of them, they are very beautiful, with so many qualities. But then also, Krishna is here in front of me on my door. Yes, it is my pride. Vishakha, yes. I'm really proud of Krishna, because of Krishna. Yes, Vishakha, my dear friends. Ramananda Rai is describing about Garva, pride, and he just described about good fortune, good luck. And Srimati Radharani, she was agreed about her pride. Yes, I'm feeling proud about Krishna because he's my lover. There is so many another term are there to appear pride in the mind, from beauty, from greatest shelter, from Ishtalabha. So Ramananda Rai only described about the good fortune, and Sri Krishna Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, to see the pride of Srimati Radharani, Sri Krishna Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he also changed the pose of his sitting. Now he is bowed down there because he absorbed in that Leela that Srimati Radharani is showing pride. She is making that Makara Kundal for Krishna, and Krishna is waiting on the door. And Sri Krishna Chaitanya Mahaprabhu here, now she is actually feeling that he is also on the door of Srimati Radharani. She changed the pose of his sitting. Now he is bowed down in front of Ramananda Rai. So Ramananda Rai here realized Sri Krishna Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, now he is not here. He already there in Braj. Now he is bowed down in front of Srimati Radharani. There in front of Kunja. So Ramananda Rai is waiting when Sri Krishna Chaitanya Mahaprabhu will get his consciousness back. Again he will start. So my dear friends, now Sri Krishna Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he fixed his eyes to the face, Sri Krishna. He fixed his eyes to Srimati Radharani. Let him enjoy the beauty of Srimati Radharani. So when Sri Gaura Sundar Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu will get his consciousness back, Ramananda Rai will start. So today's katha will take rest here.